soft closing, of course. It really reminds me a lot to the vision of Mercedes. So let's start the engine. Just check out the invitation tail lights. It opens in one way. You won't see a lot of these on the road. It is definitely an eye catcher. Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. This is world's most special Brabus, a all new model, the BRABUS BODO. It has a V12 5.2 liter engine, and in today's video I will show you why it is worth more than €1 million. I will show you the exterior, interior and all the new gadgets. This BRABUS BODO edition, it is just like a ship on the road. It really reminds me a lot to the vision of Mercedes. And my favorite part is definitely the rear, especially when I unlock it. So let's have a look at the beautiful tail light design. This is insane. It has this ship-like, the yacht-like style, all new BRABUS body, with a small trunk in the back. I will show you that all later on, and beautiful tail light design. And it also has the titanium-like exhaust pipes. And as I mentioned, this is called the Bodo. And this is the father of Constantin Buschmann, the founder of BRABUS. So they basically created this as an homage, a respect to the name Bodo, where they use all the imagination and unlimited in terms of creation. You have beautiful shadow chrome on the contours of the window. Amazing ship yacht-like design. So let's go to the front, where we have beautiful carbon fiber bonnet. Actually, the whole vehicle has a new body and is created from carbon fiber. And this looks like a 6-meter long vehicle. It has some SL touches to it, but just look at the front. Beautiful BRABUS grille with a shadow line that goes all over the hood. And yes, this is a more carbon fiber design hood. When it comes to the patterns, you can clearly see the carbon fiber in it, but the whole body, as I mentioned, is recreated by BRABUS. And underneath we have a V12 5.2 liter engine that produces more than 1,000 horsepower and 1,200 Newton meters of torque. You won't see a lot of these on the road because it is only created or produced upon order. So not limited, but I guess maybe 10 people will order it, or maybe 20. Let's see. It is definitely an eye catcher. Beautiful BRABUS design with carbon fiber front diffuser and a beautiful yacht-like swooping line. A very sportive interior. It has the BRABUS steering wheel and also BRABUS genuine leather, which looks very raw. There it has the model, the line, silhouette, with the Buschmann signature also at the door entrance. I will show you this now. So to unlock the door, you just press it over here, and there it unlocks. First of all, we have the BRABUS invitation light on the ground. And this is the Buschmann Bodo signature, the father and founder of BRABUS. Amazing, guys. Beautiful panoramic roof, also some space in the back for 2 more passengers. We have full leather interior in raw, but also softer touches. Some storage space down there. This is full leather, guys. It moves beautiful back in location. And I really love the turbine style air vents with the illumination inside. There it says BRABUS at the doorstep. The door opens a little bit skewed towards the top. Again, beautiful bonnet with aggressive lines. All BRABUS design. So let's close the door. Amazing. So let's go to the rear, where we have the amazing silhouette, and just check out the invitation taillights and the beautiful design. And let's have a look at what is under the trunk. There it opens in one way with this softener. Indeed, in the interior, full leather with a matching bag for on top of your trolley. And this is the signature that this is an original BRABUS. Not only a signature, but it has a chip inside, so if you hold your phone next to it, it will unlock the registration. Only if you have the correct keys for it. This is gloss carbon fiber. The body again is also in full carbon fiber, but painted in black. So let's close the trunk. This is soft closing, of course. Amazing. So I will walk with you towards the interior. I will just open the door. Here we have the Bodo Buschmann signature, full gloss carbon fiber design with genuine leather. As we are used to from BRABUS, we have everything in the interior fully leather covered, or in this gloss carbon fiber, and actually here more like leather, but it looks like Alcantara, still softer, very good quality. So let me close the door. And I notice it has this wing covered in gloss carbon fiber over the gauges. Beautiful steering wheel with this raw leather and this more like Alcantara leather-like top part. The turbine style air vents are in illuminated. Then we have the two buttons to raise the vehicle, or the spoiler in the back. Manual, it says right here, you can change gears or put it into park. So let's listen to the sound, guys. So let's start the engine. Amazing V12. This is how the spoiler extracts in two different levels. So let's look at it again. This is level 1 and level 2 directly after each other. One more time. Amazing. Amazing. BRABUS design. Amazing. Then we have the seat controls here on the side, and overall it has this very sporty feeling, and still you have a lot of space in the interior. You can actually have 4 people inside if you move the seats all the way forward. Not all the way, but far enough. Then some adults can also fit in the back. Smaller adults, I would say. We have speakers also in darkened color. And of course the brake and the gas pedal are also in gloss carbon fiber. Okay, geef ze hier. Also in the speakers we have the BRABUS lettering. Now it is time to have a look at what is under this aggressive bonnet in gloss carbon fiber. You have to pull this secure in red, and there we have the V12 5.2 liter engine. It produces 1000 horsepower and 1200 Newton meters of torque. A V12 bi-turbo, and it is powered to the rear wheels. So a rear wheel drive. Beautiful how it is just in the center right there. I'm really looking forward to take it on the road. So let's close it. I will just pull it right here at this metal part. So guys, thanks for watching MercBenzKing. I hope you liked the video with the BRABUS Bodo edition, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.